my friends. In this series of episodes, I'm trying to explain the amazing concept called NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming, and how NLP can be used in our daily life to enhance the quality of our life. In the last two episodes, I explained to you that in order to understand the NLP concepts, we need to be very clear about the difference between three components of the human system: the brain, the mind, and the intellect. In the last two episodes, I explained to you that brain is the hardware and the mind is the software. The brain controls the five senses: the eyes, the nose, the ears, the taste buds, and the touch feelings. But in order that I should see something, my mind should give the command. My mind should accept it. I'm sure you have understood this. If the brain is receiving command from the mind, something should be giving command to the mind, and that is called intellect. In the Indian languages, there's a word which is common in all the Indian languages. It's called buddhi, B-U-D-D-H-I, buddhi. You have this word in Tamil, Sanskrit, Hindi, Malayalam, Telugu, you name an Indian language. Buddhi, the English equivalent is intellect. Intellect is the ability to discern between this is good, this is bad. I want this, I don't want this. This will do good for me, this will not do good for me. In order to achieve this, I should sacrifice this. If I do this, this will be the consequence. If I don't do this, this will be the consequence. So this is called the intellect. We are all intelligent. We are intelligent to decide what we need, what we don't need. But sometimes our decisions are wrong or faulty. And because of that, our mind gives a command to the brain and we do certain things. I'll give an example. All of us know that cigarette smoking could result in cancer. All of us know that too much of drinking will result in damaging the liver and whatever. But then, why do we do that? Why do some people go after that? This is where NLP becomes relevant. In simple definition, NLP is neuro-linguistic programming. Neuro is to do with the brain. I've already discussed about the relevance and the context of the brain in the human behavioral system. Neuro, we talk about neurosurgeon, neurology department, neurotransmitters, neurons. Linguistic is a use of language. Same words in a different intonation. Same phrase in a different inflection could mean different thing. So use of language. Linguistic is a use of language. Programming is taken from the computer science. I'm sitting in front of a computer. All of us know the basic commands of a computer. When you put Control P, you get a printout. There is an input, there is a process in the computer, there is an output. When you put Control P, if the print is not coming, You go and check whether your input is fine. You go check whether the computer is processing the command. If by chance you have put instead of control P, function P or shift P, I'm sure you will not get the output and you will not expect the output. You will go and check whether the input is right. So there is an input, there is a process, there is an output. NLP is based on this. For the mind, there has to be an input and the mind processes it. And the mind gives command to the brain and the brain executes the command as a faithful, sincere, obedient servant. This is where the intellect is very, very important. Programming is taken from the computer science, I said. So NLP says that every behavior is a result of a mental program. You cannot have a different behavior without changing the program. So NLP is neuro-linguistic programming. Like a computer can be programmed, a human mind can be programmed. More about it in the next episode. See you tomorrow.